Get ready, iPhone users, because iOS 26 is not done evolving and the next update could completely change how you use your phone. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Even though iOS 26 landed back in September and iOS 26.1 added some handy tweaks, Apple is far from finished. The upcoming iOS 26.2 promises a handful of game-changing features that could make your iPhone feel brand new. At the top of the list, Siri finally getting the AI upgrade we've been waiting for. According to Apple insider Mark Gurman, this long-awaited thing could arrive around March or April 2026, of course, powered by a custom version of Google Gemini. That's huge news for anyone frustrated with Siri lagging behind other voice assistants. But iOS 26.2 isn't just about smarter AI. The controversial liquid glass interface is also changing with a slider to adjust lock screen transparency and more consistent effects across apps like Measure. For those who rely on AirDrop, sharing with non-contacts is about to get easier with a new code system allowing transfers for 30 days. Podcasts are getting a glow up too. Automatic episode chapters, clickable references to other shows, and quick access links will make discovering and navigating content smoother than ever. And for anyone prone to forgetting important tasks, iOS 26.2 introduces alarms for reminders. Now you can mark a task as urgent and your phone will make sure you don't miss it. These all updates will show up before iOS 27 drops next September. iOS 26 is shaping up to be one of the most feature-packed versions yet. Whether it's smarter AI, a polished interface, or life-saving reminders, your iPhone is about to feel a lot smarter and more helpful. For more updates, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.